So how to make $500 per day with affiliate marketing. Now this is not going to be the usual boring video where you learn the basics. No, I'm going to give you the exact things that sometimes in many cases are really kept secret from people, especially newbies. Kept secret, not like law attraction secret, right? But real secret, like the secret that usually companies don't want to tell newbies, right? Why would they tell, right? If they know that super affiliates who are earning a lot more commissions are going to be pissed off or not going to have that much, let's say, privacy when they are doing different campaigns, running different offers, launches and stuff like that, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you, exactly tell you actually, what does it takes for you as an affiliate, as a newbie, someone who wants to make serious money online, to start generating these $500 days or even, let's say, weeks, if you are depend on what kind of income you're looking for, right? If you're a newbie. So the first thing that you have to remember is this. Of course, it's all about picking the niche. Now you can go to many different private networks. You can go to ClickBank, right? And I also promote ClickBank offers. But what is important is not every offer that they are suggesting you to promote is the best offer. You see most YouTube gurus, right? ClickBank gurus are telling you, choose this #1 weight loss offer on ClickBank and go and promote it. Now, yes, you can do this, right? And there are people making great money doing that, right? But what it's really important to remember is this. You have to promote the offer that's going to basically give you long-term commissions, right? That's going to make you money, right? And it must be, first of all, high quality, right? Why? Because you want no refunds, 0 refunds, and because the customer is going to purchase also the higher upsells, right? The upsell take rate is really important. Another thing is that I share only with my private clients and students is this. If you have connections, and I have connections, with the connections in affiliate marketing, you can also get higher back-end commissions, right? Most newbies don't know this. They just go sign up for ClickBank, promote products, and then they wonder why they're not successful, right? And they see another person promoting same product, but they don't know that that same person is getting 30% more commissions. Now this makes a big difference, right? If you're making 75%, but that one is making 100% commissions, of course they're going to make more money than you, right? And if they're spending same amount of money on Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads, of course they're going to make more money more than you because they can get higher margins, right? And higher profits. So that's why you have to keep in mind that affiliate marketing, you need to have someone, some coach or mentor to guide you one-on-one, step by step to everything, right? Because as a newbie, you watching this video, I'm sure you don't know that there are people who are getting higher back-end commissions, who are getting special deals, right, from vendors, but you don't know that watching this video. So maybe you're struggling right now and you don't know what to do, right? What the hell should I promote? Where should I start? Should I do Facebook ads? Should I do YouTube ads? Or this is going to get shut down, right? You don't know. So if you want to know how to do it, do let me know, right? Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me, ask me questions. But first of all, you have to be serious, right? You have to have some kind of money to invest and also a little bit of time, right? But it's always about the money. If you have the money to start with, right? Like a few $1,000s to start with and start generating results seriously, I mean a really serious kind of income, like we are talking about $500 a day and so on and so forth, then let me know. If you're that kind of serious person, do let me know, right? I don't want you to waste my time and I don't want to waste your either. So it's really important that we have this understanding, mutual relationships going on, right? And also to understand that there are special deals going on behind the closed doors in affiliate marketing. And if you want to have these kind of things, and if you want to know how to do it, how to get it done for you and get it done with you personally, one-on-one, then do let me know below this video, right? And it's all about, of course, profitable niches, right? Like we say about weight loss, make money online, relationships, dating, right? Nutra, all of these things are great and nice, but it's important to have one offer. I always suggest this: start with one product, one affiliate product, promote it first, right? 1 week, 1 month, make your first 5,000 euros, 10,000 euros with that offer, and then move on to the next one, right? Because most people get confused. They don't know where to start, where to look, what to do, right? You get confused, and I understand that. I've been there myself. I know how it felt when I was struggling, when I didn't make a cent online. So if you're watching this video and if you're a serious action taker, and I think you are, right, then do let me know below this video. There are going to be links to my Instagram, Facebook, and also email and WhatsApp. You can reach out to me, and then let's get started. Let's get something moving, right? Because time never waits, right? If you procrastinate and keep thinking about it, you will never amount to anything. As you know, time is limited here. Money is never limited, right? Money is not as let's say the resource that is limited. You can always get more money, but time you will never get back, right? So as you're watching this video, please click the links below, get in touch with me if you're serious, and if you want to have results online and make money online with affiliate marketing, let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and guidance on how to have real life results with affiliate marketing. Again, thank you for watching this video.